Have you ever checked the pennies sitting quietly in your pocket, on your table, or inside an old jar at home? Most people ignore them because they believe pennies have almost no value. They drop them in drawers, leave them in cars, or sometimes even throw them away. But what if I told you that some of the most ordinary looking pennies could actually be worth far more than their face value? Today we are talking about two Lincoln pennies that millions of people have seen, touched, and spent without thinking twice. The 2012 Lincoln penny and the 2005 Lincoln penny. At first glance, they look completely ordinary. The same familiar portrait of Abraham Lincoln, the same copper color, and the same 1 cent value stamped on the coin. But collectors and coin hunters know that sometimes the most common coins hide the most surprising stories. Think about how many coins pass through your hands every year. Hundreds, maybe thousands. Now, imagine if just one of those coins had a small detail that made it special. Something that collectors notice immediately. Something that makes the coin stand out from millions of others produced by the mint. This is exactly why people around the world search through rolls of pennies every day. They check every date, every mint mark, every small design feature. Because history has shown that certain coins, even modern ones, can attract collectors simply because of small differences, unusual strikes, or limited circulation. The Lincoln penny itself is already one of the most famous coins ever produced in the United States. First introduced in 1909 to honor the 100th birthday of Abraham Lincoln, it became the first regular U.S. coin to feature a real historical figure instead of a symbolic design. That alone made it special. Over the decades, the design changed several times, but Lincoln's portrait has remained the heart of the coin. Because of this long history, collectors have always paid close attention to Lincoln pennies. Every year, every mint mark, every design change becomes part of a much larger story that coin enthusiasts love to explore. Now let's focus on the 2012 Lincoln penny. When this coin was released, most people treated it like any other penny. It entered circulation quietly and quickly spread across the country. People received it as change at stores, gas stations, restaurants, and vending machines. Millions of these coins traveled through everyday transactions without anyone noticing anything unusual about them. But collectors who carefully study coins noticed that some 2012 pennies show small details that make them interesting additions to collections. The 2012 Lincoln penny belongs to the modern shield reverse design series. If you flip the coin over, you'll see a large shield covering the reverse side. This shield represents the unity of the United States and the strength of the nation. The design was introduced in 2010 and continued for many years afterward. On the shield, you can see vertical stripes and a banner across the top with the words, E pluribus unum. The design looks simple at first, but when examined closely, the lines, textures, and small details show the careful craftsmanship of the mint. For collectors, condition matters a lot. A coin that has been heavily used and scratched may only be worth its face value. But a coin that has been preserved in excellent condition can attract much more interest. Some 2012 Lincoln pennies were saved directly from mint rolls before they ever circulated. These coins can still shine with their original luster, looking almost as fresh as the day they were produced. When collectors see a coin like that, they immediately pay attention. Another factor that collectors watch closely is mint marks. The United States Mint produces coins in different facilities, and each mint often leaves a small letter on the coin to identify where it was made. The 2012 Lincoln penny can appear with mint marks, such as D for Denver, or sometimes with no mint mark for Philadelphia. While both versions are common, collectors often enjoy comparing them and searching for subtle differences in strike quality or appearance. Coin roll hunters know that sometimes coins from a particular mint can show slightly sharper details than others. This may happen because of differences in minting equipment or production timing. When collectors find coins that show unusually strong details, they often set them aside for closer inspection. Over time, these coins can become desirable pieces in collections simply because of their visual quality. Another reason people search through modern pennies is the possibility of mint errors. Errors happen when something goes slightly wrong during the minting process. This could be a double design, an off-center strike, or a small imperfection in the die used to stamp a coin. Even though such errors are rare, they do happen. When collectors discover them, the coins instantly become more interesting because they represent something unusual that slipped through the mint's quality control. Imagine someone opening a roll of pennies from the bank and slowly checking each one under bright light. Most coins look identical, but suddenly one coin appears slightly different. Maybe the lettering looks thicker, or the lines of the shield appear sharper, or the coin shows a tiny misalignment. That moment of discovery is what makes coin hunting exciting for so many people. Many collectors today are not just professional numismatists, but ordinary people who enjoy searching for hidden treasures in everyday change. Some do it as a hobby, some do it for relaxation, and others do it because they love the thrill of discovery. The idea that a small coin could carry history, artistry, and potential collector interest makes the hobby incredibly appealing. The 2012 Lincoln penny also represents a modern era of coin collecting where people are beginning to pay attention to newer coins. For a long time, collectors mainly focused on older coins from the early 20th century or even the 19th century. But in recent years, modern coins have started to gain attention because people realize that today's circulation coins are tomorrow's collectibles. Think about it this way. Coins from the 1970s or 1980s were once considered ordinary pocket change. But today, collectors study them carefully, searching for varieties and unusual examples. The same pattern could happen with coins from the 2000s and 2010s. A coin that seems ordinary today could become a sought-after collectible years later, simply because fewer pristine examples remain. Another interesting aspect of the 2012 penny is how it reflects modern minting technology. The United States Mint uses highly precise machinery to produce billions of coins each year. Despite this precision, tiny variations can still occur, which is why collectors continue to study coins from every year of production. These small differences add character to coins and give collectors something new to explore. If you ever look closely at a fresh 2012 penny under good lighting, you may notice the subtle shine of the metal and the sharp edges around Lincoln's portrait. These features show how carefully the coin was struck. Over time, as the coin moves through circulation, those details slowly fade. That is why finding a well-preserved example can feel exciting to a collector. Some people even keep jars of pennies at home and search through them on weekends. Families sometimes turn it into a small activity, checking dates and mint marks together. It becomes a mix of curiosity, learning, and discovery. Even if most coins are common, the process itself can be enjoyable. And this is exactly why coins like the 2012 Lincoln penny still attract attention today. Not because they're guaranteed to be worth huge amounts, but because they remind us that valuable discoveries sometimes begin with the smallest and most ordinary objects. A coin that costs just 1 cent could still hold a story worth telling. By the end of this video, we will also reveal the simple collector value that many ordinary examples of these coins can reach today, and why some collectors still choose to keep them instead of spending them. Top 2 now, let's turn our attention to another coin that many people have seen but rarely think about carefully, the 2005 Lincoln penny. At first glance, it looks exactly like the countless pennies that pass through our hands every single day. The same familiar portrait of Abraham Lincoln appears on the front, and the reverse shows the Lincoln Memorial design that was used for decades before the shield design replaced it. Because this design was so common for many years, most people barely notice it anymore. But collectors know that sometimes the most ordinary-looking coins can still attract attention when examined closely. The 2005 D Lincoln penny was produced at the Denver Mint, which is identified by the small letter D, appearing just under the date on the front of the coin. This mint mark tells us where the coin was struck, and for collectors, mint marks are always important. Even when millions of coins are produced, small variations in how they are struck can make certain examples stand out. The Denver Mint has produced many coins throughout history, and collectors often enjoy comparing Denver coins with those made in Philadelphia or other facilities. When you hold a 2005 D penny in your hand, the design looks simple, but every small element of the coin tells part of the story. On the front, you see Abraham Lincoln's profile, facing to the right. Above his head appears the word liberty, and in front of his face is the phrase, "In God we trust." The year 2005 appears clearly near the bottom, with the mint mark placed nearby. These design elements have been part of the Lincoln penny for generations, making it one of the most recognizable coins in the world. Flip the coin over and you will see the Lincoln Memorial standing proudly in the center. This reverse design was first introduced in 1959 to honor the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. For many decades, this image remained on the penny, making it familiar to several generations of Americans. If you look very closely at the Lincoln Memorial on the coin, you may even notice a tiny figure of Abraham Lincoln seated inside the building. This detail is extremely small, but it shows the incredible precision used when designing the coin. Because the 2005 D Lincoln penny was produced in large numbers, most examples were immediately used in everyday transactions. They traveled through grocery stores, restaurants, buses, and vending machines. Over time, these coins picked up scratches, marks, and wear from constant use. This is why finding a well-preserved example can sometimes feel special to collectors. A coin that still shows strong details and bright surfaces stands out compared to the many worn coins that have circulated for years. Collectors often pay attention to what is known as mint state condition. This means the coin shows little to no wear from circulation. Coins in this condition often retain their original shine and sharp details. Many collectors search through bank rolls of pennies hoping to find coins that still look fresh and untouched. When they discover one, they often place it in protective holders to preserve its condition. Another reason the 2005 D Lincoln penny attracts interest is the possibility of small minting variations. During the minting process, coins are struck by heavy dies that press the design into blank metal discs. If something slightly unusual happens during this process, the coin may display a small difference that collectors notice. These differences might include stronger design lines, unusual spacing in the lettering, or minor variations in the strike. Even though such differences are usually subtle, collectors enjoy studying them carefully. Some enthusiasts use magnifying glasses or microscopes to examine their coins in detail. What looks like a normal penny at first glance can reveal surprising characteristics under close inspection. This careful study is part of what makes coin collecting both challenging and fascinating. Imagine someone opening a roll of 50 pennies from the bank and slowly checking each coin one by one. The process requires patience, but it can also feel like a treasure hunt. Most coins will appear completely normal, but occasionally a coin may look different enough to deserve a closer look. That moment of discovery is what keeps collectors interested year after year. The year 2005 itself is also part of the modern era of Lincoln pennies. By this time, coin production technology had become extremely advanced. Machines were capable of producing huge quantities of coins with remarkable precision. Yet even with such advanced technology, no two coins are ever completely identical. Tiny differences always exist, and collectors love to search for those differences. Another reason people enjoy collecting pennies from different years is the historical timeline they create. When you line up pennies from many different dates, you can see how designs and production styles changed over time. The Lincoln Memorial reverse used on the 2005 penny represents a long chapter in this timeline, one that lasted for nearly 50 years before the design changed again. Many people today still have jars or containers filled with pennies collected over many years. Sometimes these jars hold coins from several decades, creating a small time capsule of everyday history. When someone finally decides to sort through those coins, they may discover pieces from many different years, including coins like the 2005 Lincoln penny. Coin collecting is unique because it connects everyday objects with history, design, and curiosity. A coin that most people ignore can still become interesting when someone decides to examine it carefully. That simple act of paying attention can transform ordinary pocket change into something worth studying and preserving. Some collectors even enjoy teaching younger family members how to look for interesting coins. Children often become fascinated when they realize that coins carry dates, symbols, and tiny details that tell stories about the past. This simple hobby can turn into a lifelong interest, and it often begins with common coins like the Lincoln penny. As we come toward the end of our discussion, it is important to remember that most circulated examples of these coins remain very common. However, collectors sometimes keep them because they enjoy building year-by-year collections or searching for coins in excellent condition. Even when the value is modest, the enjoyment of the hunt can be worth far more than the coin itself. For ordinary circulated examples, collectors often estimate a small collector value that is slightly above face value simply because the coins are part of a larger Lincoln penny collection. The 2012 Lincoln penny is often kept by collectors at around $5 when preserved nicely, while the 2005 Lincoln penny may reach around $6 when collectors find examples in appealing condition. These amounts may not sound huge, but they remind us of something interesting. Even the smallest coins can gain attention when people take the time to study them. A single penny might seem insignificant, yet it can still become part of a collection, a conversation, or even the beginning of a hobby that lasts a lifetime. And the next time you receive a handful of change, you might look at those pennies a little more carefully. Because sometimes the most ordinary coins are the ones that quietly hold the most interesting stories.